So we did the Lagrange's linear equation. By
Lagrange's equation, how
methods of
many types are there Lagrange's equation?
so we did it through methods of grouping and
Grouping method
and multiplier method.
multiplier method. Also, some problems are important problems are done. One problem is 3 times period actually, that is
Yes, sir. That we did,
x
sir.
y z comma x square plus y square plus z square. These things you can remember actually. This maybe that is, suppose if the MCQ means okay, if it is not MCQ means what? Suppose if one of you turn up there means what? Maybe they will conduct examination means what? That time maybe it will be useful for you. These all are actually theory part problems. By God grace, if you turn up by September or October means what? We have to only theory part only, no? That time it will be useful. Otherwise, you can concentrate on simultaneously MCQ also. Don't give the MCQ. Then we can go for the linear higher order differential equations actually. So that is what already in your first year you are done now. ODE ordinary differentiation d square y by dx square plus 2 into dy by dx plus y is equal to e power x r sin x r cos x r polynomial e power x into sin bx. What is that? How you will get solution? Anyone have idea? How you will get solution for differential equation, ordinary differential equation? No idea. After lunch, everyone getting sleeping, I think so. First semester, second semester, you are done actually a ordinary differential equation. First semester or not? Anyone has
Yes,
a
sir. In
data?
first semester, we have done that, sir.
Yeah, what is that solution? Now you sir, don't tell solution. At least you remember or not. Y is equal to something, you write what? Very bad, sir.
Can you repeat, sir?
Y is a d square y by dx square plus 2 into dy by dx plus 3y is equal to e power x r sin x r polynomial r product e power x into sin x
Yes,
r
sir. Different
polynomial.
forms, sir. Yes, sir. Different forms of solving
Oh,
we
I am
remember.
not asking different forms. Generally, how you will start the problem? Y is equal to solution, how you will write. I am not asking what type how to attack. I am not. I am nowhere. I am asking that. That deep part I am asking. Suppose differential equation, if you get in your mind, immediately what you will get idea how to attack the problem. That is important.
First, we will
Find
take the
CI
roots.
and
Ah, wait,
PI.
wait. What is A? Somebody she is telling Shruti. Tell Shruti.
Yes, sir. We have to find CI and PI.
CI, yeah. CI, CI, yeah. Again, call back CI, yeah. CI, yeah. CF,
CF, sir.
CF means Shruti or Bapuji. What is CF? What is CF? Come on, yeah. Okay, you 90% you crossed. Complementary function. PI means
Particular
what?
integral.
Particular integral.
Particular integral. When you will get particular integral, right side any f of x means you will let this f of x equal to f of d, you will write. Suppose pi for e power x means put d is equal to a, f of a not equal to 0 means you can attack f of a is equal to 0 means some story. Sin x means sin of ax means put t square is equal to minus a square. Then conjugate, then take the numerator 1 plus t whole power minus 1 or 1 minus f of t whole power minus 1 polynomial means like this. Done or not? Remember or not?
Yes, sir.
Then variation of parameters also done. Variation of parameter when it will come to the picture. Suppose e power x sin x and cos x and polynomial. Other than these functions, you can go for the variation of parameter. One problem you have done very good problem. D square y by x square plus 4y is equal to 4 tan 2x or 4 secant 2x. Only two problems are there. Secant 2x or secant tan 2x or cosecant 2x or d square plus a square is equal to tan ax they will go. Remember or not? Compulsory question. Only these three questions only, wherever you can go, whatever textbook you can open. This only will have actually variation of parameters. Some only variously for some problems. These all are recalled or not? Then there you will do differently. Correct or not? There or not? Say yes or no. What happened here? All are audible my voice?
Yes, sir.
I think next
Yes,
time
sir. Yes, sir.
open all of your videos whether we are there or not. I am not able to see. At least I have not seen nobody face actually. Classroom. Very bad. Really, if it is live class means we can enjoy. What can do? Okay. Then I can start present. Kutiala Inimal left the meeting, is left and joining. Gopi Reddy left the meeting. Good. Here also you will have actually to like this z is equal to what? You will have equations I will test form actually. Linear equation first. Then we can go. I think everyone's syllabus completed first thing. We are only going slowly.
Hi friends, this is your Dr. BP alias Dr. Bapuji Puleku. Previous classes partial differential equation we discussed forming the PD by eliminating constant, forming the PD by eliminating functions, then non-linear PD is 6 types, then Lagrange's PD we solved. Now it's very important from Lagrange's, and these two are one topic. Previously that 6 types and removing the functions, removing the constant is one type. One bunch they will take in examination. Maximum they will do like this.
Sir, so you can try to
Homogeneous linear partial differential equations.
sir, you can try to increase the
for now.
speed of the video, sir.
In operate
See, in this actually form how you will write. Are you audible all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, homogeneous linear partial differential equation means I can write a naught into dou power n dou z power x, x to the power of n. Then a power n dou x power n minus 1 dou y. Then dou power n dou power x minus 1 dou y square, so on dou power n dou y n. Function of x y, right side should be f of x y. Can you able to see my cursor also? See, actually generally they denoted dou by dou x is d. Only dou by dou x means what? Meaningless actually. We think if you differentiated anything dou by dou x of some function of x y means that's meaning. Otherwise, just this is operator. D is operator. Dou by dou y is what? D dash. So this how can it transforms? You see, a naught d to the power of n, a1 d to the power of n minus 1 d dash. Then d to the power of n minus 2 d dash whole square. If we add, you see, d power n minus 2 plus 2, what you will get till? N minus 2 plus 2 how much? Hello? Are you audible?
Yes, sir. Can you repeat?
Can you repeat, sir?
At least you can ask actually. Something you can speak out, no problem. See, n minus 2 plus 2 how much?
N, sir.
N minus 3 plus 3?
N.
N
Sir.
minus 1 plus 1?
N.
So here you see, whatever may be, you see, n only you will get actually. Dou power n. This is what actually first order. That's what degree is what here 1. Order means what? How many times you differentiate? That's what higher order linear differential equations actually. Correct? This is what nth order. If you go n minus 1 plus 1 was n, but don't expect all terms should be appear this. Sometimes you may appear dou power n z dou xn. This last term itself. That also what nth order only. You don't need to get all terms, but general shape I am giving. So this how you will write actually d power n minus 1 d dash dou by dou y you can write d dash dou by dou x you can write d. Then you can write this is the operator form. How you will get d power n d to the power of n minus 1 d dash whole power 1 d to the power of n minus 2 d dash whole square d to the power of n minus 3 d dash whole cube. So on d for d dash whole power n is into z. This part inside bracket is what just operator is equal to f of xy. Now to find CF, what I will do, put d is equal to m, d dash is equal to 1. What I will write? Put d is equal to what? D is equal to what?
M.
M. D dash?
1.
1.
1. Put d is equal to what? M. D dash is equal to what? 1. Then my whole equation transform to what? Tell any one of you tell. This equation tell at least this fellow what is become? A power.
A naught m power n plus
Very good.
a1 m power n minus 1 plus a2 m power n minus 2.
Okay. Then what you are understanding actually from this polynomial of nth power m, m degrees what polynomial in terms of n, nth power polynomial I am getting or not. So how many roots you will have that take polynomial?
N.
N roots, no doubt. Is clear or not? Suppose
Yes.
quadratic equation means how many roots I will have?
2.
Cubic means 3. Biquadratic means 4. So nth degree means I will have yes.
N.
Anyone want any discussion? Some voice coming? Mute all of you your audio, sir. And this I will get. So this what I am writing. I will get the mth polynomial. Just what I will do here. Some degree 5. I don't want to nth power. I don't want to explain. So n is equal to 5 or something. I will take. Then I will take. Now if you put the m, d is equal to m, d dash is equal to 1. You will get auxiliary equation equal to 0. That equation is called what? Auxiliary equation. These all are why I am doing to find CF. To find CF, what you will do? Put d is equal to 1. Sorry, d is equal to what? M. D dash is equal to 1. You will get auxiliary equation. Then equate to 0. Solve for the roots. You will get m is equal to roots m1, m2, m3, m4, m5. Then you can write CF is equal to what? Phi 1 of y plus m1 x, phi 2 of y plus m2 x. Case 1 if m's are not repeated. M's are repeated means different story. Just you can see now. Always you can write solution CF plus PA. Then put d is equal to 1, d dash is equal to d is equal to m, d dash is equal to 1. Just here what I am doing, instead of doing n, what I am just a fifth degree I am writing for understanding. Z is equal to CF plus PA. So what you will get to find CF? Put d is equal to m, d dash is equal to 1. You will get auxiliary equation equal to 0. This always you can write. This one step always you can write d dash is equal to 1. Then you will get auxiliary equation equal to 0. Then if you substitute what you will get m power 5, m power 4, m cube like this. Now equation 5 means you will get 5 roots. Now assume like the roots are m1, m2, m3, m4, m5. 5 roots just you can say.
Degree 5 means 5 roots I have to get. So I got the 5 roots happily. Then how to write? This is to find CF only. I am talking about only CF. If case 1, if all m's are not equal, means what? It's not repeated. M is equal to, if I get 5 roots, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different roots, maybe 1 by 2, 2 by 2, 3 by 4, that's different 5 roots, not equal. No root are equal. How can I write? So I got 5 roots. I'm telling that names are M1, M2, M3, M4, M5. In my hand, 5 roots are there. Then take 5 functions F1 y plus M1x. Phi 2 of y plus M2x. Phi 3 of y plus M3x. Phi 4 y plus M4x. Phi 5 y plus M5x. So the
Here it's very important. Suppose m roots, all roots are not equal. You can say m is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you will get m minus 1, m minus 2, m minus 3, m minus 4, m minus 1. No one repeated. Repeated roots means what you will get? M minus 1 whole square, m minus 2 whole square, m minus 3 whole power 5. So 3 is 4 times, 3 is 5 times, like this. So here no root is repeated means CF, how you will write? Y plus m1x, y plus m2x. What is the root values that you can write? Y plus m3x, y plus m4x, y plus m5x, so on, y plus mnx. Suppose n big N roots means. Suppose if 2 roots are repeated, you can say m1 is equal to m2 is equal to, say, m. Suppose I am getting m minus 1 whole square, m is equal to what? 1 comma 1. Then how you will write? Actually, they are already, this how you will write? Phi 1 of y plus mx plus x into phi 2 of y plus mx. Suppose 2 roots are repeated means what? Phi 1 of y plus mx plus x into phi 2 of y plus mx plus x square. Suppose 3 roots means up to x square. 4 roots means what? Up to x cube. 5 roots means up to x power 4 you can write. Then you can write, you can see in this video. This is for not repeated. Repeated case we discuss. Suppose two roots are say m1, m2 is equal to mm. Two roots I am writing. Remaining as is same story. Remaining three fellows are not repeated. M3, M4, M5. Then how can I write CF? These two are repeated. So CF, this time discussing CF only. I am not talking about PI. That is m minus 2 whole square, m minus 3, m minus 4. So 2 comma 2, 2 times 3 and 4. For these two roots availability can telling m. So phi 1 of y plus mx x into, that is important. That you can write some lines. If you write underline means what some story is there actually. While revise you will understand. Phi 2 of y plus mx. Remaining 3 not repeated. 3, 4, 5 generally you will write. Phi 3 y plus m. Are you audible, all of you? Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Phi 4
Yes,
of y. Or can you go through like PPT if you feel with this video bore means what can I explain through PPTs tomorrow onwards? Video okay for your video classes?
Yes, sir.
Because like a movie talkie movie means what no voice means what we can go actually this PPT also no problem. I can explain same story only. Suppose I am talking 3 roots are equal. 3 roots are equal means how we will write m1, m2, m3 is equal to m. Can anyone tell me answer what you will get before I complete? Tell the answer what you will get CF. 3 roots are equal. Phi 1 y plus mx plus x into what you will get? Phi 2 of m plus x square into phi 3. Because 3 functions I want to take for 3 roots. Then you can stop. Remaining as usual you can write x into phi 2 of mx. X square into phi 3. 3 roots means 3 functions I will take. Phi 3. But remaining 2 are not repeated. So I will write phi 4 of y plus m4x. Phi that is function phi of y plus m5x. Any doubt? Okay. Suppose 4 roots are repeated means any one of you tell. 4 roots repeat means how you will write? Four roots repeated means how you will do? M1, M2, M3, M4 is equal to say M. M5 is separate fellow. So how you will write? Phi 1 of y plus mx plus x into phi 2 of y plus mx plus x square into phi 3 of y plus mx. Then phi 4 into y plus mx. 4 roots are over. X cube into plus phi 5 of y plus m5x. Clear? All of you okay?
Yes, sir.
I think all of you is there in front of you or some is sleeping.
Yes.
Clear? Then this is the here actually there is no complex roots. Actually in ordinary differentiation complex roots m1 plus or minus im2 means what? E to the power of m1 x c1 cos m2 x plus c2 sin m2x. Here no complex story. Only real or whatever may be same story. If it is repeated means you can concentrate. Only this case only. Getting or not? Then PI when you will get. When you will get PI, right side if you have any function you can think for PI. That is this I will write function of dd dash left side. Function of dd dash into z is equal to function of xy. Then PI how you will write f of xy divided by f of dd dash. That only right side if we have any function of xy you can think for PI. Otherwise no PI. But always probably you can write solution z is equal to CF PI. There is no right side function means what? PI is equal to 0 you can write. I am writing here 4 roots. I am skipping actually. It's already told you 4 roots. All 5 roots cases I am discussing last. So I will write f of dd dash. This operator shape I will write always f of dd dash. My function contain dd dash is equal to f of xy. This is the shape of the homogeneous linear partial differential equation. So I told you CF case. For every problem you can find CF and PI. To find CF, put d is equal to m, d dash is equal to 1, then auxiliary equation equal to 0. Then you can write CF. Suppose right side if any function is there, means you can think for PI. So Pi, how can you write f of xy by phi of dd dash? F of Pi is equal to f of xy by phi of dd dash. Then here different cases. E power ax plus by means one story, sine of mx plus ny means one story, polynomial means one story, then product means one story. One by one we discuss. Just we discussed up to PA. For every problem you can write z is equal to cf plus PA. To find cf, d is equal to m, d dash is equal to 1. You will get auxiliary equation equal to 0. Right side, if we have any fellow, then you can think for the PA. Otherwise, 0 you can write solution of candidate z is equal to cf plus PA, PA is equal to 0 you can write. Always you can mention. Okay, then we go for e power ax plus by part. Here I am doing just actually complementary function problems first initially, then I will go for the PI problems. This is all the race, this is the shape. PI is equal to always I will write f of xy by phi of dd dash. See, this problem is what? 2d square 5dd dash minus 2d dash whole square is equal to 0. Is there any PI you will get? Can you tell? Right side, any function is there?
No,
Right
sir.
side. So there is no PI, but solution of the z is equal to CF plus PI, PI is equal to 0. To find CF, what you will do? Put d is equal to what? M d dash is equal to 1.
1.
So what you will get? 2m square plus 5m minus 2. Okay, yeah. Then can you able to split or not? Multiplication means minus 4, add means what? Plus 1. That or not? 2. That is wrong actually. Minus means you don't get the root. So can you tell how you will write actually? 2m square, 2 into 2, 4 means what? 1, 4m plus m plus 2 is equal to 0. So roots are what? M is equal to minus of, m is equal to minus 2. Now CF, how can you write? 5 1 now. Y minus half x plus phi 2 of y minus 2x. So pi is there, any pi is there? 0. Solution is not always z is equal to cf plus pi. So z is equal to y1 minus half x plus phi 2 of y minus 2x. That's it. Pi there is no plus 0. Because if any right side function means you can think for pi, otherwise not required. Here you see, while doing the quadratic equation, m square coefficient 1 means directly I can attack the right the roots, otherwise you can break and write. Yes, this problem, nice problem. Can anyone tell immediately before I complete what are the roots? Come on. Put t is equal to m d dash equal to 1. What will get? M square minus 6m plus 9 is equal to 0. So what? M minus 3 is equal to 0. M is equal to 3 comma 3. So CF is equal to what? Phi 1 y plus 3x x into phi 2 of y plus 3x. That's set over. Correct or not? Sleeping, huh?
Yes, sir.
So,
Sleeping,
Yes, sir.
huh?
Yes, sir.
Over. The LKG problem completed. Solution is what? CF is equal to what? Always you can put t is equal to 1, d dash is equal to 1, a is equal to 0. That you should not forget it. Plus x into phi 2 of 5 plus 3x. Here any pi is there? Pi is there? 0. So solution is what?
No.
That is good.
No,
CF.
sir. No PI.
No, sir. No PI.
That's it for x into phi 2 of 5 plus 3x. Yeah, this problem, very good problem. Anyone of you tell here? I will stop. Give me idea. Anyone of you, please. First
so
unit
can
is
we do a square minus b square formula here? A plus b.
wait. Slow. I am very dull in math. Slowly tell. Come on. Yeah, you let put a d is equal to 1, d dash is equal to 1. What you will get? Tell. Come on.
Sir, A plus B into A minus B.
Yes, sir.
Tell. Not getting.
A plus B into A minus B.
Who is A here?
D.
Yeah, d plus d square.
That is what you will get. A plus B, A minus B.
Sir,
Directly.
answer will be d square plus d dash square into d plus d dash into d plus minus d dash.
Hey, who is that name? You can tell here. What is your name?
Sir, Kinjal, sir.
Kinjan, you are making me trouble here.
But sir, that is the complete answer that will come, sir. Come out.
Tell, come on again.
Yes,
Tell.
sir. Sir, d square minus d dash square into d plus d dash into d minus d dash.
Oh, you are showing your nose like this, coming round the surface, turning the hand and come showing like this. Before, see how much time I am shouting like a mad fellow here. What I said, put d is equal to m, d dash is equal to 1, auxiliary equation 0. I told or not again. You people tell d square shape. Then immediately they will ask what is your maths master name. What you will do first? D is equal to 1, d dash is equal to m, d dash is equal to 1. So what you get? M power 4 minus 1. That fellow become what? Tell now. M square minus 1.
M square plus 1 into m minus 1 into m plus 1.
Sing it like a song actually. Don't confuse yourself and myself. M square
sorry,
minus
sorry,
1.
sir,
No. You talk here. If you talk, only problem solved. You don't feel. Just I will talk. No, nothing, no feelings. Barely can talk. M square, if you speak out only, the problem will solve. M square minus 1, M square plus 1. Don't tell sorry. Always you enjoy class. So then what you will get? Now come on, tell.
So m square, 1 plus m square into 1 plus m into...
1, you know, yeah, nice. I told M square minus 1, M square plus 1. So roots
Sir,
are
M
what?
square plus or minus 1.
Huh?
Plus and
Plus
minus
1 minus 1.
Then another two fellows. Degree 4 here, 4 roots you have to tell.
I and minus I, sir.
And then it will be minus 1. I, sir. Root iota and iota. Iota and minus iota.
तबीयत खराब हो गई. M is equal to plus or minus 1 and plus or minus I. That's it. Any problem? Okay. At least you can tell CF now. I am very happy. If any one of you tell CF, what you will get? Like, 0. I'll kill you. M is equal to plus 1, M is equal to minus 1, M is equal to plus I, M is equal to minus I. So how many fellows in my hand? 4 fellows are there. With the 4 fellows, I want to take 4 functions and attack. Right, CF? Tell CF, no problem. Come on, yaar.
5 into y
5 and
plus
half,
x.
not into. 5 and half.
5 and half. Y plus x.
Plus
5 2 of y minus 6.
Very good.
Plus 5 3 of y plus ix.
Very
Plus
good.
5 4 of y minus ix.
Okay, you will get 2 chocolates when you turn SRM. All are correct, okay, clear? Tell yaar, correct or not?
Correct,
Yes,
sir.
say correct only, you will get 1 chocolate.
Yes, sir.
Correct only, not yes, sir. Okay, yeah. Can I, then this problem can I skip then? You people are completed. Next problem, can I
Yes,
go?
sir. Yes, sir.
Why time wasting? Okay. Video is going actually 2 times speed. I made it actually go very fastly. So M is equal to plus or minus 1, M is equal to plus or minus I, then CF I will write. So right side there is no function, so Pi is equal to 0. So solution is what always Z is equal to CF plus Pi. Always you can write whether it is 0 or not, it doesn't matter. So Z is equal to what? Who is my CF? 5 1 of 5 plus 6, 5 2 of 5 minus 6, 5 3 of 5 plus 6, 5 4 of 5 plus Ix. That's it. Over. Being not suitable, sir. So different. See, from this problem, what you understand, complex roots also, you don't take too much of care actually. General roots only, if it is different roots. A plus IB is one root, A minus IB one root like this. But in complex roots also, you don't worry, like real roots only. But in ODE, not like this. I concentrated differently, I will write. Okay, here not like this, only same, repeated or not repeated. Whoever may be, whatever may be, we attack the problem. Right side function is there, I think for Pi. Right side not function, Pi is equal to 0, always solution is equal to Z is equal to CF plus Pi. To find CF, put D is equal to M, D dash is equal to 1. Then you will get auxiliary equation equal to 0, A is equal to 0. Then step by step furtherly can follow. Just actually I am doing first part for practice, CF for everywhere, PI also there. For understanding, I am doing only CF part only, taking for questions. This what you will get 3rd degree, very dangerous problem. So how you will write? Not danger, this is not a big deal. Nice, you will get D dash equal to 1. So A is always you can read the story. M2 minus 4M square plus 4M is equal to 0. From this, who will take common M? M square minus 4M plus 4 is equal to 0. Take LKG problem. m minus 2 whole square. So I whole square I forgot means 2 comma 2. So root CF is what? Phi 1 y plus what you will get CF, tell any one of you. I will stop. CF tell at least now 0 2 comma 2. Tell what is CF? All of you there or not?
Yes, sir.
Tell CF, tell. Only 2, 3 only responding actually. If you say yes or no, my ears will be break like this. You have to make sound actually. Yes, sir, we are alive like this.
Yes, sir, we are alive.
Very good. Only one by only live. Come on, tell CF.
Alive, sir, alive.
Alive, sir. Alive, we're alive, sir.
Alive, sir, very much.
Okay, CF we can tell. Am I making bore?
No, sir. Phi 1 of y plus phi 2 of y plus 2x plus phi 3 of...
Come on. Somebody come on. Okay, tell. CF
should I
is
restart?
phi 1 of?
Phi 1 of y plus phi 2 of
Very good.
y plus 2x plus phi 3 of...
Phi 1 of y because there is m is equal to 0. So no need to write. Plus phi 2 of remaining story of you write. Tell. Phi 2 of?
y plus 2x and phi 3 of y minus 2x.
Oh, gone.
X into phi 3.
X also, sir. X also. Yeah.
X into who will come? Minus x. Come on, yaar.
X into phi 3 of y minus 2.
Plus phi 2 of y plus 2x plus x into phi 3 of y plus 2x only, not minus 2x. 2 comma 2 only roots are not. Okay or not? Repeated root means x will come in front side. Okay. Yeah. It's not written y plus 2x. So many printing mistakes. Phi 2 of y plus 2x. Just 2 I written. This time for understanding, I am doing only CF. Pi part is there. Pi for e for ax plus by is there. Pi for sine of ax plus by is there. Pi for polynomials are there. Yes, this is solid question. D dash equal to 1. So what will be A is equal to 0. M cube minus 3m square plus 4 is equal to 0. This we are not able to break. Previous problem is m I had taken outside. I did something. Now I can't hear. What you will do now? Anyone of you give idea? What you will do?
M is equal to minus 1.
Trial and error method.
Very good. What method?
Trial and error method.
Our method of induction actually. Trial and error. Put m is equal to plus 1. M is equal to minus 1. M is equal to plus 2. M is equal to minus 2. Where my equation becomes 0, you can stop. After that, what you will do? That method is what? Once if you get the one root, you will like this, you will write one small
Long
fraction.
division.
Very good. Synthetic division. Good. So m is equal to 1 or minus 1. If I know root means what I will write like this. Then first if I know below 0, then multiplication. That everything you have studied in 9th standard, 10th standard. Okay, yeah. Okay. That names you should not forget actually. See, basic is very important. So m is equal to minus 1 is 1 root. So how can I write m is equal to minus 1 means I can write m plus 1 into some fellow I can write or not. Second degree I will get that issue. Root is different, factor is different. I can write m plus 1 into. So coefficients I am writing. M coefficient are not there. 1 below 0, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 into minus 1, minus 1. So minus 4 into minus 1, 4, then 4, 0 plus 4 into minus 4. So always you have to get 0. This is called what? Factor theorem or root theorem. Already you studied. When is the factor becomes 0, it's root in 9th standard. Factor theorem, remainder theorem. It's standard, 9th standard studied or not? Vaporized. First semester only vaporized. How you remember 8th standard? M square minus 4. Oh, directly I'm skipping. M square minus 4m plus 4 I will get m plus 1 into m is equal to 2 comma 2. So CF is what? Phi 1 of phi 1. So all types we checked actually how to attack. D power 4 also we done, D cube also done. Actually it won't go beyond cube, I think so. Then Pi. When you will think Pi, suppose right side if we have a function, you can think for Pi. Correct or not? Now Pi for e power ax plus by I will write. F of dt dash into z is equal to f of xy. Now my f of xy is equal to what? E power ax plus by. Pi always you can write f of xy by phi of dt dash. That is called always Pi. Then I'm thinking e power. My right says what? E power x plus by. So how you let e power x plus b? That operator you can bring down. So put d is equal to a, d dash is equal to b, provided phi of what? Can you tell any one of you? Phi of which cannot be 0. A comma b not equal to 0. A comma b 0 means what? Collapse. Denominator 0 means whole function become what? Infinite. There also I will tell you when it's become 0, when it's not become 0. You don't worry. Correct or not? Well, first you can do the problems. Seeing the question I can tell when it's become 0. I think same question we done previously. I think same question only we done. CF we done I think so minus 1 comma 2 comma 2 1. Now only we completed same problem I think so. So I'm skipping here actually. Roots I will write directly. Now only we completed got it or don't confuse CF I am not done as you have to do. Previous problem same problem I done. Then Pi. Pi how I will write. E power 2x plus y. By operator only you can write. E power x plus 2y by d cube 3d square d dash plus 4d dash whole cube. Now what you will do? Put d is equal to m. X coefficient is what d related to. Y coefficient is what d dash related to. So put d is equal to 1, d dash is equal to 2. Then what you will get? So you got Pi also. Z is equal to Cm plus Pi. Pi already got it done. Put d is equal to a, d dash is equal to b. So this is the way of doing. Zero cases also I will discuss. Don't worry. Okay, all of you. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So e power x plus b by means what you will do? Put d is equal to what? D is equal to what? D is equal to what, sir?
Yes, sir.
D dash?
B.
Provided, when you substitute these two fellows, provided f of AB not equal to 0. If denominator 0 means this story won't will be help you. Then immediately ask how can I attack? That is different story. Correct or not? Clear? Always you can check. Suppose denominator 0 means I cannot go this method. That's not allowed. You can write again. You have to attack differently. I'll tell you one problem you do. That MCQ questions you can check all of you. Practice. First unit maybe 25 questions are there. All of you opened or not at least MCQ?
Yes.
This CF also I done, I think so. M I taken outside and we done. 2x plus 3y. Super question. Good, nice question. So if you do put, now we can write t is equal to m, d dash is equal to 1.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, actually we had other subjects lab starting from 2 p.m.
Acha. When lab is there today?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sir. The lab is
Yes,
there.
sir. The same, sir. Here also.
You want me stop then? Okay, yeah.
Yep.
Okay. These videos you can for e power x plus, can you see actually that same videos you can see actually. Correct or not? You understand? Okay, otherwise next class we don't have. On Sunday sometime we can keep extra class. Okay, yeah. You check this all first unit problems. If you have any non-homogeneous not there, homogeneous only. That problems you can check. Anyway, MCQ, no, MCQ can prepare first. These videos also can concentrate. Correct? And if you want, I will take Sunday one extra class. Correct? Then, okay, then. Then okay, if you want, then you want to leave now. Leave. But better download all of you want. MCQ is going very fastly, like a super fast.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. All the best. Take care.
Sir, I have one question, sir.
Hey, ask me. Always welcome.
Sir, all I need to know about the instruction regarding the cycle test exams.
Cycle test, still my HOD is not told you. The Google Meet or Empower, you know, any idea is there? No, the English department will conduct on some tests.
Okay. Or through Google Form or Google MCQ.
Google Form means okay, no problem. I will release the time and I will close, sir, actually that 1 hour. But my HOD is telling we want to go by Empower. Still, they are not decided. Whatever maybe can prepare MCQ. Don't worry about the mode of the test. Correct or not?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Don't worry about actually mode. Whatever mode they keep, you can.
No, sir. Basically, sir. All I need
actually, Google Meet means what for me also easy. Actually, we can get the grades.
I can understand, sir. That is not a problem, sir. My question is, sir, most of our faculties are telling that we have to give the test on the laptops only, but my laptop don't have a camera, so that is only what I need to
what say. You are writing an area test, huh?
No, sir, not area test. Sir,
no. Here you don't worry. Don't ask actually. You're right.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
You see, one thing you can frankly, if you tell me is what I can't do. If you want copy me, really can read and write. That I can tell. Who can see on screen? What are you doing? Can you observe? Tell.
That's the main thing, sir.
You are